Before the activation method, I was a scared little boy, I'd say. Nervous. I did not like looking at myself in the mirror. I did not like seeing me. I was always looking for someone I could be in a certain group so that I could fit in, so that I could just be the right man for my wife, for my children, for my business, whatever the case. I was always looking for who did I need to be for that circumstance? Who did I need to be for others? Because I knew that inside of myself, I was not good enough. That I told myself I wasn't good enough. I needed that, and it led to just destruction in my marriage. I went into complete overwhelming my wife, overwhelming my kids with being afraid, trying to control them to make myself feel better, try to control them so that I would feel validated, so that I would feel loved and cared for, because I couldn't do that for myself. The activation method was incredible. I couldn't believe how simple it was to gain my wife back, to just see her and hold her and honestly just be there for her and put myself, my own fears aside and just see her. And since the activation method, the relationship with my wife and I, between my wife and I, has improved incredibly. I can tell she trusts me. Maybe not completely, because we're in such, everything's moving so fast, but she really wants to. She's really excited about what's coming. My kids are seeing a dad that wants to hang out, wants to play, and doesn't care what he gets in return. He just loves them. The Alpha Reset has been that times 10. I was excited for this. Video. And I've hated seeing myself in cameras, listening to my voice, everything about me. I've hated seeing that for so many years. And I'm just excited to tell you guys. I'm excited if I ever get the chance to watch this video. I'm excited to see this guy because he's amazing. I'm excited for my family. I'm excited for my kids and my wife, for who they're gonna get as a dad, who they're gonna get as a husband. And I'm mainly excited for myself. If you're thinking about joining this program, I took a year and a half. I listened to podcasts, did this and that, and that took a long time before I trusted it, before I thought, oh yeah, this is going to actually make the difference, because it was a commitment financially. And although I do somewhat okay financially, it was so much more than I've ever spent on myself, so much more that I've ever even thought about spending on myself, and I'd spend so much more. I would never go back. I would take that plunge right away, because having yourself, having your family, money can't buy that. And the time is, are you worried about the time it's going to take to do it, where you have to go, what you got to do? It's nothing. The rest of your life is ahead of you. The absolute rest of your life is ahead of you. I think this program is absolutely amazing. I believe, this is something I've wanted to say since the beginning. I believe that every man needs the powerful man. Every man needs to own himself. And my daughters, before they get married, I hope their boyfriends join the powerful man before ever deciding to marry my daughter. These are amazing men, and this program is absolutely amazing.